Plus career counseling very important. Class 12 me pore maximum students haisi me borok ta bhaine financial literacy. Je borok na ji school level ni simi jodi no man kha ha am to sijabin to bo script Roman script because tam bo Roman no choose it's because Roman script is of course puila to accessible. Secondly internationally kya bo bana maya to kari. Correct. Thirdly higher education on English no use ma khane.
Khulumbai kya tai lamsogo takuk tai bukuk songno ani Kothok Podcast so tini sini narwai motomungi manjak fainai ani friend Mr. Barkish Debbarma bo khoroksa teacher bo teaching profession no tongo ko tini sungbo by education ni topic no tuisung tini kok chair layana phaidi sung koklam cheng layana. Lamsogo ani friend pikeno ang nono pulia no sengnai ani podcast tini phaimani bhai matongka.
First time an bage podcast to, so I am very excited. Kisa nervous bo.
Abong nai no, ang bongjak no. Kepulia nang sengnai, as we all know nung to education sector ba. Nung tini basawi nung education sector nung nijino boronuk.
Education sector at present ang nijino boronuk. Punya to ang any profession to teaching profession. It's a very noble profession. Mane sini je bangora o je objective result ango sa tha khe belanya tor. Kaisa cherai ni bobishot ni je mukumu suitini sin buyak tong. Kai ang to ani jorote ang je mansa kang khain tongo particularly sini dofani je rong bagai tai tahu jorote ani je teaching profession tahu bang 12 years ka 12 years so onek ups and downs nukha but eventually at the end of the day ang nijino satisfied no matong because nini andaro pori thanai chare ro no nung jefru life kun sa successful mujak no ha am ni zone sa greatest success tai sa ko ang to I cannot actually say definitely ani ta position bahima tong am ti definitely ang sana to it's not possible but am so jorti saima no je I am trying my best. I am trying to enhance myself. Of course no one can become the best teacher. But I am trying to become at least a good teacher.
Best teacher decide kanya tau to student dong no.
Of course.
Kok kere engkang tasan question follow ko bunai. Sungno go sini borok sini parents sok especially bong zoro lekha ma por liya borok kam ke. Especially English medium ma por jali ya borok. Ko tabu sungno go ta sin borok ni bisingo mane parents um bisingo. Nijin besano borok cost ke pano borok English medium no admission naru. Engke no nahar mungno nung bhai ke nuk
ang nahar mungno to ang positively nugu karon ke English medium ta English to international language omo to je japan than English nangnai plus tangni je joto je kadal je innovation sung tongmani particularly in IT sector na tha ke tau coding ni jug tau zone coding khayo coding zone sirmu coding kuno onyo language no sirmu mayable if you want to learn you have to learn in English so I would say that the thoughts of our parents nijin busano jaga phano sen you have English medium pornan jene mane it's a very noble thought ang onek respect khayo
Hambai angke hanya sungai sengnuk jago lekha porani sector no especially jarak kari rok borok ni besano borok mane je musungti borok talangi mayang nuk jago tamale education sector boto costly lekha paisa nango mane rang paisa nango ga sengnuk jago jara lekha pora khaine rong ni bisingo bo jara ganang rang ganang bongni besarong sung agung manugu angke nang abono tuile tam sanam sung
tabuk opportunity tai ni facility kom ani mora tai government is doing its best but the government initiative rok onek kaham very noble. They are trying to focus more on rural area, particularly in education, but the implementation zorin thikai ya ma kai biking na. So rural area, so we need very good schools. In fact, not only school, we need roads, electricity, water, but basic jinis ni kok sa kai education is also very important. So rural area wo good education, good institutes tona na hota.
Ngasang taisa problem nung mang ke para rokota teacher ni problem payu especially from the science subject rong ni rok bisirang nuk jagota bisirang tuition no pon nang kanam borok agotol pha ma thangnai nge kisa urban area ma thango ngo gap no le bake fill up khaiman sang
tau gap no fill up khanya ni bolte education
samle sin borok boto pora ganang bang hata bu graduate bang kha ge borok boto gap ro fill up khaiman no haya dang kan abno bhai nuk mane tang ya bam ting na
tambu rural area what teacher ni obapa
problem phaita
maximum to naji nung sorino graduating phai khanyo yaba nung post graduate yaba doesn't as a matter of fact doesn't matter what qualification you did. See, the thing is we tend to think first of all for ourselves sini betterment ni bagai we tend to migrate from rural area to urban area ajaga je manmai khaipan aikapan choli thang but zorino as youth ro zorin tekicha alada khawan sukka suppose agi furang o jaga pori fura so kosto khama porikha teacher ni oba phai oba tini angno angje chukti angje mantei ani dophano phurungi teisa improve da khaiman honne jono wan sukka khai I don't think am hai problem tuan
mane individual level jotoni kaisa responsibility
onek responsibilities no there society hanyo to develop ni able
correct
you have to sacrifice
ngasang sana thangke num nukha tak sang rokta sin age group ni borok sang tabo kasu jora sok pemangkha sang privilege hinmano nijino tamale sin parents obo bisrbag education background imang phayu teachers background imang kasang mujaka sin society kisa abli pangman mujaka teachers sok sin parents ni jora maman pore kan abno romunya ta sang sanai education ni je power sin borok oloti bujikha kan ambang je nang wan suk je sin borok tabo huge invest khayu nijin basarong ni poro mane lekha pora hota kan wada wan suk abni kaham dividend da phaino future ro
khaimani kaham ka phaimani bu kaham ne if your ideas and thoughts are noble the outcomes will of course be noble sini borok साथा के ओन्यो दफानि बोरong से बुसाबुतनि educate खनन बगा अनेक नि चेष्टा नाउ चान नि याइ फन because kaisa very popular there is a very popular saying it was said by Nelson Mandela if I am not mistaken education is the most powerful weapon that we can use to change the world
correct
as in case to change the society so sin parents amala bujikha education importance no so education eventually educate mani to nini main goal to chakri now in it's not about it education means building yourself you know psychologically emotionally physically everything so that you can become a good person if you become a good person if you become a educated person life okunya musa tongin thanai
correct angke angkushin sanam song ta kisang angke sang nugo sini bisingonta sang wan sogo je kise bini jori bo talented bokhorok ganang ga sang nugjo bisira science background mang thango sin jora rogo bo sang nukha kisa bin mark kaham kana bo science poribo bu agor tola poribo ya silong phan thang porini bo science por angke mana wan sogo sin borok tese future bright ngana hne pia sang nai ni khata ke samtiya kan amdi hai wansok tongnai rona nang tam sana musung
puja to science ve arts humanities ni bising kun difference kari generally or je thing je thought process সম্পূর্ণ ফাই হাকে science stream nang join nai pori khang hakai oh this fellow will become doctor or he or she will become engineer tabo amno nasigei boni je perspective science no the superior hegon no tabo but it's not like that it's completely wrong amo social perspective se am hai
I know.
In fact arts and humanities pori oi koma borok IAS officer tabo
Correct.
TCS officer different cox han thang civil service tabo bong an daro koma doctor engineer sam khai tu bong sar ma to so nang adik dia nang sa thang nang arts and humanities no nang superior han man science no inferior han man again it's not like that according to me both stream are equal and both streams should be respected
Mutually beneficial ta okay gang tek sung nai sung school logon nugu especially English medium logo sung nugu jago private school logo borong lekha pore to rundugo lekha pore ro plus rai ro co curricular activities so khairu kenang besak matong je co curricular activities besak abo important sarai ni kaisa development no
the education is not only about books only about lessons so education means overall development tao cherai ni education no jodi no sudu formal education siming thanga ke a cherai bhoishot kunung nangla that's why co curricular activities are more important actually sports and games belang nangku in fact angkai see cherai rokni porinan logi thangnani musanani rzapnani angru tona nangle we are all human beings we are not robots je monotonous samsimi khai thanani so everything is equally important co curricular activities are very important
gangke te sung na yang manasang especially tiprasa rok sung lekha poru honi por lai jau jotono joratong sin chon por lai jau fian nukja khatabok sin society go mana unemployment ni issue khub bangi tongka sung nugo recently job recruitment rogo line call out queue ekdom queue kenang amti hai unemployed youth songo nang tam message rona mochung
puya to unemployment youth rokni to kun dus kari am to sarkar ni policies bongni viewpoints onek matter khayo tabo bono tamo sanamu sung je never think that life means only career life means only job
mana education no job by link ta khai di haita
no education no job by link khai mi
education is not equal to job
education is much superior if you are an educated person well properly educated person you can become anyone you can become anything
correct
ta to ngi bu tong entrepreneurship of course samne bagin capital na wa khno see where there is a will no there is a way
khub nang mani ko hanggang ke stek sungman ni nang sungnuk jaguta sung tabu phano mark ni bagi por lai student of parents of busano sanai mark man nang nai haigna nang nai mana mark bai mang mapiu bujiwang parents of rang sabayu tuition ro horo pore ro school thango ke borobo kaisa tangible kun mane nukna musung borok mark nu khangka borok bongni je expenses khaima ro borok bogi thang mana mar tong borok je bong investment kaham no return kaham phainai amti for once ago mana mark kaham hangkata kenang bahai ma tong mark to everything ya hai na education no nang bahai ma tong
puya to si kaisa charani life no krinja number of define khemi ablasang it's impossible mana learning naji see kama physical quantities no measure khanya bagi kama rokom ni device to but learning is not a physical quantity. You just cannot measure it. Bono measure khanya kuno device kare. Nung sa bono mark ronai. It's not good. Na grades, na marks. To sa thang ka to mane tam ne ang ta explain khini. But eventually I feel kaisa nung sama hai tangible kaya phuna to nango. So am logi sing grading to ma khani no. But grading is not everything among mas hauta.
Ga hai te sumuna yang. Mane sang nukjago sang pori khangkar go. Romle CBSE pan porti, TBSE pan porti. Sang board exam ni bagin poru. O pasang na bagi ro gata. Ke pia sang nukjago jepor sang education pai khengke. Jepor nung exam ro asuku, competitive exam ro asuku. Abro ken ro board mane board nung jepor ma pai samung ni bai ni ne porani horbai sal feru. Mane nung school jepor ma joto ne hai tan mote. Ke nung tam hin sang sudo o NCERT boy, board ni boy or sini knowledge sang limitation ton klai na sang aboni phatro knowledge gain khai ka sanai. Especially nung society wo jodi nung ni contribution of khaina ke nung kaise borok kotor kolok na ke nung board ni exam ni je ko kalkor ni je mane bon curriculum ni je education simple ma baito jotono sang mani maya ke nung abon bahim nuk sang out of the box puda thangi porno na.
World is challenging first of all. Tabuk sini NCERT ni curriculum jababe frame khajaka. It's very good. I am not saying that it is bad. It's in fact one of the best. Tabuk nini je kuno competitive exam nini particularly JEE means eba NEET NCERT ni phayo question stroke frame khajako. But it does not mean that you will only limit yourself to that. Tabuk see you can think like this that the formal education that you are getting, it's like a window. Eba kaisa dogalam kaisa door hekana sida it helps you reach there till the door, but the opener has to be you. Amon pro opener
chabi tong nang te logi
chabi by doga provide khija uta na am pro khologi nang
ni lamanung
explore ma khani akokta. So education is learning is a lifelong process. It's not that ni board ni no pora porikha am banyang thanai. No, as I have said, the world is very competitive, so you have to seek beyond also.
Okay. Okay, sang especially ozen ozora wo sang nuksago mane formal education ta na pui school thangu college thangu university poru pia tabuk tek sector open khata se abeti hota from the online ti poru online ti pori mana online ti joto knowledge nai mano ge nang tini ora tonggoi nang thinang ni wanso kangke nang bahai ma tong oje institution doctor tong no mane je tak physical je tak sang formal thangi pori maro abo lo bong jaga baheng no ulo abo no mane online da overtake khaina nang bahai ma tong
tabuk nai do tabuk nang sa thang ka no homeschooling khaiman you actually don't need you can sit at home, you open up the internet, you can easily learn. But kaisa jinis kri jaba kaisa see je manamang religious language lang na thanga kha. It may sound very funny, but see if you seek God you will get everywhere. But still you need to go to temple, you still need to go to mosque, you still need to go to church. Why? Because something is there, some positive aura, some positive energy is there. Now feel kayo. Similarly, school. In today's world, you can sit at home, you can study, no issues. Someone is not going to say that you didn't do formal schooling in school, so you certificate mangla thing you can get. But still, borok school ni uklon thanai. So I feel school is something very big. It's not a building. It's not restricted to a building. It's an idea.
Correct.
Okay, in the future also schools will be there, teachers will be there. In fact, Babio, that this will be one of the sector which may never be replaced by AI, artificial intelligence.
Correct.
Mentorship, guru, money,
How?
nobody can replace that.
Correct. Angkangke sini education system mo takze katal education policy je phaimani. Nangabon tile tam sana musu.
It's very flexible, but naji
Mane ready da bun bagi in society.
With everything na comes good as well as bad. Tau sini soy tin bagai good the bad damo decide khini to angya decide khini soy disi
correct
nang amno nang bai kana nai a policy ni loopholes nai jogi nang joino parna nai ke to ni nang dera nai policy ni ka hamna sigi nang joino if you know how to utilize it properly certainly it will be beneficial because town is a present NEP policy wo je NEP sini je nongkhormani amoni ni flexibility ro ni cross disciplinary flexibility ro ni now you are not only restricted to arts and humanities and some other student is restricted to only science or someone in commerce. Now it is very flexible. You can pick but omoni bagai country wo nini appropriate jobs toro tono kari amo tegisa issue amo tegisa alada issue amo kaita but otherwise je as a holistic education amo policy le kaham
ngat sangnugu je education je sector basga holistic hai na ekdom kaham haban sangnugu jara o education tu jara tongnai bong je pay rokta salary rok sangnugu jago kisa bongno borok je kisan kom naman borok buini compare ke bui bai angke nang abrongno tuile tam sanamusong mane jodi society improve na ka to develop na ka sang saimano education kaham nang nai school hoite na sarai rong फोरोंनाय तुम नांनाय के ओ जे फोरोंनाय से जदि बो फाइनेंशियली साउंड नंगे हंके बो बिनि जे सामुनो बो 100% खाइदे मानो
अनि आंसर तो nin question absolutely right amono see teachers are called builders of nation ta je builders of nation no se je nation is a leaders ro if they don't feel important amo to je builders of nation tam sanai I feel disparity is there are many European countries are there where the teaching job the teachers are paid the highest
okay
so I am not saying India wo anti khadi in fact private schools also they have some salary ta nang ajaga highest payment khaima hai o jaga bon khaya nang am ti jang saya but at least if you have certain respect for the communities called teachers we will be satisfied am so banya
ngang sasing samai de saw na jo sing nujo go sin society wo borong than kaise craze tong parents of bota patro patri phono doctor engineer ke bono bin oran alada bono bi alada kandu tom di bo bekar tang khai engineers bele mane bini position alada thang botam porika engineer tam porika to aso buising engineer kaise jo what thele mangena ang engineer kono borok often filter khai tang samaya kira ang sanam sumang ke engineer doctor abno karibo kema stream tong he dana je dorkari ka nangmani ketai sin parents ong itam borok nuhurma to komma kalai tai boram dekha nai doctor engineer mang borok bong buko pila phaita tam parents even society ni jara politician rong buta
ang hanan they are ignorant agree I mean not ignorant in everything but all case to ignorant
correct
see doctor engineer ni beyond bukang matung tabo if I talk about science stream acha science stream nang porikha kadin busano tam slam nani nising ke borok doctor ya ke engineer amni porate bonite kuno phaya buko that means they lack knowledge
correct
so je knowledge je gap tongani amno sungjoin supungma ha ke o je perspective bong perspective no change khai di manan doctor engineers I respect them but doctor engineer rongno bo respect them na nang kya it's not that they will be glorified every time
correct no sangtai cham no guta romdi ata ang phano ang parents ang khake ang bo musunan busarno ang je ing maya khairna musung
correctly
mane bini je mane unfulfilled dreams ongno borok busani ti borok khainya musung romdi ang doctor no musung mani ang engineer no musung mani ge borok tam khai wanso ko borok ang busanom tin khainai kino ob busa to al kazapan bini interest tong manu bini quality ala phang manu kam deke si de parents je parsu khaimani je basarong je force khaimani abo to kaham da hami abo to sain manu sung joto no habe nang amte parents nang tam sana mo sung
si nini dream tam bagi fulfilling dia it is your mistake nang nini tabuk nini mistake to solely tong hanmaya hoito opportunity maliya na khliya na but nini je unfulfilled dreams of no fulfill khaina bagi nin busano nang zur khaima am khaito saya belekhe it's tamli chane hamti na kok se tuna rang liya it's very sad to see that in fact this is what we have seen in American's film 3 Idiots
correct
so our film mo kangkon phunugu je I have my own dream nini dream not fulfill khana baga I didn't I am not sitting here to fulfill your dream of course as you are my parent you are educating me you are providing me but most importantly you should also think that me too I am an individual and me too I have my own dreams so you cannot force me no jor khaimia nini unfulfilled dreams no fulfill khaina bage ano balika bakra to slam yata
kam bai da nukjang na je tabu especially mane student nong ni bisingo suicide case bangi jong
yes
ke abro reason nong na asa khai
recently naji kota to jorun saima आजकल कॉटन तो कॉटा संले कॉटा फैक्ट्री सिंसियो it's very sad that a country like India is undergoing this kind of situation as how nizin busano naji a craze no thajing samahino doctor engineer zodon muzungo
joton khanga tang nai
zodon muzung gamni bagai cherai thungna khasingnan thungnani boyoso sebono kota ori rohoro class 6 7 nisimi continuous coaching te kuno co-curricular activities kare eventually more for lakhs and lakhs of rang kharos khayo coaching center rang nawi ganang sai chung but eventually out of 100 how many will actually become doctors and engineers 1 or 2 so it's very sad mane dukhona ngta ngamte nukai
wow ta yang guri ta yang question sung wa back ni question ta asing ni question sung mani ta manjui tabu je education policy ntai tabu sung nuk jo je class 8 jora failing ya fail khaimi ya even teacher sokse te ba pressure manu tai fail ke fail khai sama khai ba ke fail khai man jaman so na gesara rok to saimanu fail sing ya bini je kosto khai mani porishram mo komong sinai na parents of hanyang sitai an basa tahan pasang nai kira babani to mane impact to hamyang imano future ro ke nang amte wan suk tong nai amte ngi tong nai amte school lo ko pori tong nai sare man nang tam sana mo sum
puja to education nang emon jinis that you can't succeed by cheating nang nini grades to nang cheat khai nang nai manan but you yourself you are cheating yourself ama kaisa 사이먼 나오다 parents busano poru ঠিক আছে rang অনেক খরচ করে poru সাবলে মুসুং নাই যে বিন বুসা ফিলিং থাংতুন নাই but am buta musung di je right to education policy to an busa he or she may not be fitted but still nang bono fail khai mangalak nang bono pass khai marone that means what you are cheating yourself you are destroying your child's future your child bhoishyato kun ja soigla so amti issues lokno sensitizing na nongsin parents so taisa responsible na nang ong hai responsible behaviors jodi nong to hakai mane bonin chai hamiata
sangna sung nugo sini mane education is a curriculum sung nuk jago jaro counseling ti rogo career counseling ti rogo asa sukurup jagya plus finance ni te je knowledge rogota abar wasa rozakya kenang abarong no include khaijana ni dan nangjak bahima tong sini parental education policy no khaika sanai he da
ha to belan nangjau because financial literacy je borok na ji school level ni simi jodi no man kha ha khai financially life no body ke manage khai thana ni amo dung thanai but sini tahu zorte to razagi school so people struggle nini thangai they don't know what is bank draft they don't know what is check they don't know what is recurring deposits fixed deposits there are see financial terminologies masmaya kha borok biking naiba so education means overall development means financial education is also important financially literate khadini chair so I think government should include it plus career counseling very important class 12 में पढ़े maximum students है जिम्मे बरकता है आस के निनी branches bango आस के माने it's segregated into branches sub branches माने चेरो confusion तामना so I think as a teachers which sini रथाइकले चेरो ना career counseling so government amno induct and include khanya na hota curriculum of course informally to sung kichamicha khayun boja thanai tam purna to masao but sarkar ne hoti initiative join phaiken ha ka onek sanaicha bojon include khaiga curriculum financial literacy and career counseling
nangmani ko gate ke sungai abo angkisa touch khanya musongka especially abo tripura abo kisa prevalent ba so nukjago education daksarai rong porna nita education nana bagai pena songe khub rang bai rang khorsang school fees rodi abon bare tuition fees jok tongo gake nang tuition tilet bahainuk mane syllabus cover khaimia da ang school lo am bagai da tuition tese tep details kama pori chalai do mane loopholes borong na bo tangai
loopholes ko mantu first thing to quality of teachers second thing school infrastructure tabuk see proper education bagi khriye nini je classroom environment हम ठीक ना नो tabuk see chair ni kun dus kri chair thango class o habo borok phayo period wise teacher phayo phurngui thango chair in fact maximum of them attentive singya attentive singya bor khanan socks kri that means bon mood se kri ta bon mood kri o chair khana se sok kri o chair ni dus no I cannot say that the mistake will be maybe with the teacher maybe with the school administration maybe with the infrastructure there are many things tabuk nini if the quality of teacher is bad chair to srunglak no but suppose classroom je jaga wo at the minimalist number no sana ka 20 to 25 per class a jaga jodi no 50 60 daiton rakha am to strength how children will learn ngata kisa ko oku bong thang ka trend bong thang ta kisa ko tuition ni je ga school nung join no maya to maya no so eventually nung phai ni tuition ma pur
ana parents no musung ta hela borok basarong te mana
ta sa enhance khaina musung mo le borok saimon borok accept khaijak je school aso
to maya
joto mangla
hela
teacher je pon try khitun phurngui pan tongphon topno che robo they are just not interested as I have said there are many reasons maybe the quality of the teacher is not good or the infrastructure the administration is not good as ang kaisa example to dekhano kaisa class of zorino 50 60 students on average ang pura country ni situation ta entire country
angke ang tabuk sung sini sini kok ni teita sung bele happy hela sini kok borok tabuk porimaka school of haikya mana subject haikya haipar nang as a teacher nang bahima tong sin kok borok no bol language bei sin sara ro pol khangke mana tebo sign khaimano mana sini kok tebo warno
am to sijagin to bo script roman script because tambo roman no choose it's because roman script is of course pula to accessible secondly internationally kya bono maya to kari
correct
thirdly higher education on english no use ma khane fourthly joto innovations joto katal nini je for example nin tabuk nini IT sector sana thang codings je coding solution je apps rock develop khayo website develop khane to coding ma sarungo coding nang English language sara thun khaimia
plus even kengma kok word also se English sara tak man English mang se kokborok kun kis kribini even science tam rogota kokborok ni alternative story
nang je kuno script na de nang sa tha to ajagan jaga ma sopani
haina
আর টার্মিনোলজি ইউজ মাখানি যেমন নি সায়েন্স ও ফিজিক্স ও কেমিস্ট্রি ও বায়ো ও কোমা টার্মিনোলজি স্লং কেমিক্যালস নেমস দं না আমনো নং যেকোনো স্ক্রিপ্ট ফানো নংসি তবে আ इंग्लिश नि वार्ड नो तो प्रोनाउंस माखानि बले सो नों आम गबा आमन सेबा रोमान स्क्रिप्ट नो नामा सावला से
I think even literature also se kon word English ni alternative kes kare
ओके
ta jong self hero nang tam hunai
सेल्फी नो ताम हुनै
अब hai time ge ab haino te basnaya tabuk sungnu sin borok por layo kam education na layo habono sungnu jo society otamo je unemployment kok salai gasan mane borok competitive exam rok borok tiki mayang sin borok ni je success rate kisa buini se komta nukjago jemon all india exam rok sini schedule tribe me je quota rok sin borok fill up khaimanai koni siman uta phia nukjago bishirbag sini schedule tribe ni quota fill up khaina roke rajasthan ni mina rok ni yakha notice ni especially manipur ni kuki rok borok bisi mane education out jakta schedule tribe kenang sin borok mokhe nang tam advice na musong mane borok jate borok ni jino well equipped khai competitive exam ro tiki mana ni bagai nang bong no tamo advice na musong
कॉम्पिटिटिव एग्जाम जे कोनो कॉम्पिटिटिव एग्जाम नि कक सा थांखाय पार्टिकुलारली नों जों तो जॉब सेंट्रिक नि कक सालायखे
जॉब सेंट्रिक ना क्वेश्चन बो
जे सब्जेक्ट बेसिक सब्जेक्ट संगला जातो इंग्लिश जनरल नॉलेज क्वांटिटेटिव एप्टीट्यूड मैथ्स ते जनरल रीजनिंग ताव आमरक तो नोंगा क्वेश्चन रकनो नों नाय कांगन सेमनो जे आज क्वेश्चन बो लेवल नि संजा जों इजिली डिडाक्ट खालामनो जे क्वेश्चन रक हायर सेकेंडरी लेवल नि दंया बेसिक सि नि क्वांटिटेटिव एनालाइसिस नि कक्साना मैथ्स नि कक्साना थाखाय तामनो संग रेशियो संगो परसेंटेज संगो प्रॉफिट लॉस संगो हम तो सेकेंडरी लेवल नि मैथ्स ताव आं जे नुकमानि प्रॉब्लम नुकमानि हाखाय प्रॉब्लम तो कोमा दंमानो बट आं जे नुकमानि ता आं अकॉर्डिंग टू मी माय पर्सपेक्टिव इज सिनी तिप्रासा तो रूरल एरिया बेसि बांगो रूरल एरिया स्कूल का हमने अभाव प्लस टीचर का हमने अभाव नङा जगह जे हाते साखामान पर खानिन बिसानो निन बिसा फॉर्मेटिव एजुकेशन काहम का माया फॉर्मेटिव एजुकेशन सो इम्पोर्टेंट निनि जे प्राइमरी लेवल नि एजुकेशन इट इज वेरी इम्पोर्टेंट सो आमनो सनु जो माया हाके जोंनि फॉर्मेटिव पीरियड से ठीक मते बिल्डिंग लिया हाके ऑफ कोर्स फ्यूचर तो डिफिकल्टी फाइनिन आं हाइखौ नुगो आंखै
माने जों एजुकेशन किसा आलका स्टेट दंसे किसा स्पेशली तिप्रासा रखता जों आई थिंक अलमोस्ट 2 decades रख जों पिसो गइदों
सिस्टेमेटिकली
स्पेशली इंग्लिश थांगा तो जों इंग्लिश माने तो अलमोस्ट सिन एज ग्रुप रंगसिम चेंगमासे
आम से सखां तो मायान
आपन बागे रको किसा ना जों लेगिंग तो नाम बागे रको
आमन ता माने एजुकेशन फायता गुरि फिरो या जान सबै
ताबुक जों नुकजा गता ताबुक ऑनलाइन कोचिंग स्टाइल ऑफ फाइके एग्जाम रंग बागे आं एग्जाम नि तिमंग साका जॉब सेंट्रिक मंग ग सिन बरंग निखौ अपॉर्चुनिटी करि रम नि तिरब्राव नंग आसुगै नंग रम नि आईएएस नि प्रिपरेशन आनो जों आईएफएस नि नानो जों निन थेनो अपॉर्चुनिटी करि नंग डेली मा खाब्रम नंग हाइन हे रां खाबुनाय ग नंग तामो बानसुक माने सिनि स्पेशली ईस्टार्न इंडिया साइड रगता त्रिपुरा तो कन करिनो सियां साइड रग नंग मारा गवर्नमेंट प्लस प्राइवेट सेक्टर नि बरो गता किसा अटेंशन रन नांगो आबा हाइते मातम माने स्टेप खाइना दं तामाने नंग कोचिंग नाखा दिल्ली मातम या राजस्थान कोटा माथां नै नंग सिन मगै तो सालै थं गाबन अल्टरनेटिव्स दंखा साया ता हेदा ना
ऑफ कोर्स
गाबन अल्टरनेटिव्स नुरा नुक नंग ताबो मार्केट
अल्टरनेटिव्स आमनि तो माने नुक आंखा नुक जागिया करि because something cannot happen spontaneously
हैन बि गाय प्रोसेस दं
करेक्ट
करेक्ट
हम कहा besalta amti as a of course ni suppose nung tabu government initiative na kha kong tai ni private sector bu initiative na kha borok babi kha father ni je coaching centers let's say kotani kun ekta branch no ja tui phine thik ase tuin tongo ja to kotani ko ma coaching center ni branches out la open no but see omoto branding haising thang kam mana brand no ja tui pheka but teacher no dong phai mi able good teachers will be there yang sa phane am ha
ang te sanam sungo sungnu guta ane khoroni borok khoroni educated dum bhano je borok english hanai no sungta se sima hima tongjok heda na angka bo english no hamjagi ja english te borok namu song bai jam te ingya nam no bahai ma tong mane sini english from the india to once upon a time boto colony tong mani sin tapon do affinity tong ko white color no bong language english no am bai da psychological sona ba mane effect khainya al tiprasa semi even india buta deng jori english haiman kan no boite se kam kan nai mana o superior kaise phaiuta wan sumani
am kah to as a colonial je zorani je psychological impact amo takhon tongkho I don't deny it but am sara pano it's not that english speaking people are superior that's why ang english ha no it's not about that nangmani karone se necessity ni karone so jinis phayo english is spoken almost everywhere in the world tai linguistically sana tha ke our language no zone se develop joto nini science thun chemistry physics bio maths everything was developed on the platform of that language only in fact nini computer languages amro english platform no develop so ang all language now superior ya all language sini bagai tabo necessity se
ozora
o sini bagai bolta in fact ang suru tribani kok se ya so adik dia tai hoito baksa matong na je english kok sa ka botasa it's not like that but am haitong ya
correct angke kisah humor side thang siwa na tangi english no funny language sanjang na
english no tambagi funny language ta am to tambagi funny language gang sai mi am na idea kare
ko kare issue kare angkang nono kaisa opportunity runai nang tabuk je lekha pori tongai rok sin borong nang bisingo nang bong no tam message ra namu so
nang je porimani of course hunu sung je what is your aim in life aim tamo aim banya sung sesung thang aim is necessary I'm not saying that aim is not necessary nang je pori tomani je education nai tomani bini behind basic principles tambagi why are you educating yourself to become a job holder to have a family it's not like that you are educating yourself to become a better human being first of all see life for development na bagai you have to become a good a understanding a better human being filled with principles values and principles so am pule inculcate khadi am sin aimung na nangra usaga am ni pore everything will happen beautifully ja jotona jaga janja jaga khorok lai thangta kai sa kok to if you aim for the sky at least you will fall on the tree ta nu zori no babi khang tini doctor nai nangam ni bagai aim khain porikha at least you will fall in you will become something in life okay I believe but just imagine nang zoi nam tikhen nang hanka I am educating myself to become a human being filled with principles values I am educating myself to become a good citizen to become a productive citizen of the country I think you will become someone Hambai matongta.
Nga tabuk ang teksa sungnay. Abo kadin personal question sa dayta. Ang siunung dan dolba nangagi sikala zorarba band rock. Almost normal pioneer sa take band khanyero. Kenang tabuk nung pore mani zorani o korona nung tabuk muja mani bahi matong.
My life was very colorful, and I don't know much mahake mane onek happy because see who doesn't love colorful things. Porimani zora porikha amon logi music ko interest ho music no kisa pursue khai kya. See, this is also a form of education.
Correct.
So tabuk I feel very fortunate to have experienced such a wonderful time.
Correct. Nga donang kaisa opportunity runai. Nano kuno question na khanya musung.
Ang nono question khanya musung mane kaisa nini o podcast je pula to blakhen hambai ano nini podcast ano ringman bagai.
Hambai.
Kaya ani question ha ke tamo aim tong nini. Certain aim to tong nani je kuno samungni ko reason to tong sam kya sai khana dik.
Ang nin question khanawai khub khau nangjak ha. Ang ani podcast je wansu gi ang khaimani hingke main hingka busi mane ang wansu go sini society wo jara intellectual side jara intellectual group bongno represent khaiman khub kom nukjau sin society wo ang mano abo social media ang mano news rogong mano bongno sangasak highlight khaya tai borom riya sin society kha ang nukjago kon hamya samaya sin society roke kisa chok no bisi hamjau short term je chok mane amno bisi hamjau mane rom the entertainment fan mano nge power niti phang mano administration da tonai rota bu social work khai tonai ro politician ro bongno bui attract ngu pia jara good mind jara intellectual mind jara kaham wan sungai society ni jara contribute khai tung pia bro nuk jagya unsung hero rokta gang wan su gang bongno jodi represent khaimang khake ano chikon saja kaisa ani je chesta ni tita ang wan su ka bu khaimang ka ni bu kisale contribution ngan as a privilege tiprasa ang nijono ma tong privilege tiprasa school ka ma porikha kapal ka ma bage kena ang haikeng ma borok talented tongi manu an seba talented tongi manu pia borok ko opportunity malia platform malia tamla borok privilege ya bage mo bu harang kri phang manu nya ka para hasago phang manu ge angane o jorona west khanya musung liya nani o je ang je mamani ang ta sang rona musung tani ani ang je wan song ma ta ngi mana bo kom phanung mano kabang phanung mano kena bang tup try khakya aban ga try si ang khakawan o jar dibo kaham boroi malayana ang khakaw bui bano ani wan song ma rona bui ya sagai manana am tero wan song ina open khai manita खाखायो नरक तिनी ओ पडकास्टिंग कंटेंट न चाजाक खना नरक जदि खाबाय हामजागै तंखे आनि ओ कथक पडकास्ट न काइन्डली सब्सक्राइब खैदि ताइ लाइक्स रुदि ताइ नंनि वैल्युएबल कमेंट्स शेयर खैदि नरक बाय आं हाइनो हाय फाइनाय एपिसोड्स रग मालाय फिनाय आस कक सावैनो तिनी ओ भिडियो पडकास्ट न अरन मथाक सिवन हामबाय।